Hello everyone, my name is Giri Randu Ginting. So today I'm going to describe about my thesis writing presentation, and the title is the description of figurative language used in the Beatles songs album. Chapter 1, Introduction. The background of the study. English has an important role for all the people in the world because we can communicate with each other by using it. It is acknowledged by some linguists to describe about the definition of language. According to Kirab and Smrapadipa, the first notion of language as a means of communication between members of public in the form of a symbol of the sound produced by means of human. Second, language is a communication system that uses symbol sound or speech sound which are arbitrary. The problem of the study. What are the types of figurative language used in this album? 2. What are the meaning of the lyric in the album? The objective of the study, to find out of the types of figurative language in this album. Second, to describe the meanings of lyrics in the album. Method of the study. The method used in this paper is library methods by collecting data from books as references to have information about the topic, and dictionaries as references for the basic meaning. Chapter 2, Definition of Figurative Language. This chapter covers definition and theories which are related to support the subject. The writer has done some literature review in many sources such as books, journal, and internet website. Figurative language is a conspicuous departure from what users of language apprehend as the standard meaning of words, or else the standard order of words, or else the standard order to achieve some meaning or effect. Theory of semantic. Semantic is the area of linguistic devoted to the study of meaning. It can be said that semantic is one of language branches study about meaning etymology in the world. Semantic actually comes from Greek word semitakos, means significance, meaning means to show, signify, or indicated by a sign. From sema means signs. However, the word meaning has a wide range of perception, and there is no general agreement among experts in which it should be described. Chapter 2, Types of Figurative Language. According to Abram, tells that figurative language consists of 15 figurative languages. Due to time constraint, the researcher only focused on 5 types of speech consist of alliteration, hyperbole, metaphor, personification, and simile. Lyric. All people have their own style for having communication. There are so many things that can be happen when people cannot understand the meaning that they hear or read, since not all people can understand directly, or sometimes that one will use different style of language to indicate different mention. Moreover, people like to express all of their feeling, idea, emotion, or thought through some ways like poetry, short stories, novel, and even song. Sometimes it becomes the media to express their critical thinking and also imagination freely over the event that happen in their life. Chapter 3, The Research Design. Based on the result of this research, the research used qualitative data research. According to Creswell, qualitative research is an inquiry process of understanding based on distinct methodological tradition of inquiry that explore a social or human problem. The researcher builds a complex, holistic picture analysis word, report detailed views of information, and conducts the study in natural setting. Second, the sources of the data. The object of the study focused on the descriptive of figurative meaning in the Beatles songs, and also this study explained about the kind of figurative meaning based on the lyrics of Beatles songs. lyrics such as Hey Jude, Yesterday, The Long and the Winding Road, Let It Be, Eleanor Rigby, A Hard Day's Night, and Ticket to Ride. The technique of data collection. In this techniques of data collection, the techniques was done by buying an album of the Beatles songs, and the title of the album is one, selecting the songs, researching for the lyrics on internet. When the data was collected, the researcher was trying to analyze the songs with the descriptive or figurative language and trying to find some figurative meaning by using the kinds of figurative language through the song's lyric to find the meaning of the song. The procedure of data analysis. For the first, downloading the lyrics one album of the Beatles. Second, reading the lyrics of the album. 3. Identifying the figurative expression in the lyrics and underline it. And the last is, when the data has been collected, then classifying and analyzing the data.